Hello, in this video we are going to be doing lesson 5 to 7. We'll start with watching this video, which you can do on your side. The code isn't quite right. Help the scratch get to the acorn. So there's no returns. So you must add another move forward. What's another way? That's true. You can do this. You mean use a repeat loop. 3, that's quite right. See, you need to help scat to the acorn. Debugging means fixing as well. So what's wrong in this code? Well, first let's see it. What will happen? Forward, and it will take right here, but it should come here as well. So you need to put another move forward. See if it works. You need to start predicting, like we did in the last one. Look for bugs in this code. Will Scrat reach the acorn, or is there a problem? Okay, so let's study this nicely. You're saying move forward to here. Then he's saying turn right. Is that the right direction? Okay, let's take it as 1, 2. Good. So, he will not reach the acorn because he turns the wrong way. First turn is right. He goes right. But the second one is also right. But here it's left. So that's true. Correct. First Scrat turns the wrong direction. Then Scrat doesn't move enough time to reach the acorn in the last. Yes. Choose the blocks in your toolbox to build your program. As there are no repeat loops, you'll know you need to do forward, or else otherwise you'll go in the lake. Now you're here. What do you need to do next? That's 2. 1 move forward, 2 move forward, 3 move forward, and a 4th. So you'll come here. Then which side do you need to turn, right or left? Well, that is his right for us. So you'll put a right and then forward. If you think it won't work, you can use steps. Like this. Oh no, there are only 3. You see, because we might have thought that you needed to also include this one. 1, 2, 3 only. Like that. Another way you could have gotten that, because you were taking too many blocks. Oh, do you remember our friend the collector? Well, this time we are going to do him with these blocks. Collect block to pick up the treasure. You can do whatever you want for now. But for now, let's go on and just take the first one. Remember to press finish when you're done. First, we need to get on the place. Means this repeat block is willing to help. You're right. It is 4. Times forward. Don't worry. You don't need to put the collect in the thing, or it'll keep on collecting. No diamonds. First he walks till that, then he collects. Sequence matters. Here we're not gonna be getting new blocks, we're gonna be arranging these ones. So what does he need to do first? You're right. At first he needs to go to forward. Then, that's right, again forward. Then, you're right, it is left. Then what do you think? That's true. It is forward and then collect. See if it's right. That's why sequence matters. Now I'll help you with the last two. What do you think will happen in the thing? Move forward to collect. So what will happen? There's no gem here. So it's B. Lauren will try to collect treasure when there's not any and it causes an error. Is that true? Well, look. It is. Right. You can continue. Collect as many as you want to. But at least one. For now, let's go on with the first three. Like this. This time you'll keep it in it because you want to keep on taking as you go forward. That's when you finish, and then we'll do creating art with code next time. Bye.